Alright, tonight I'm scrapping this. This is an Aquarium air pump. Never scrapped one of these before. So this is going to be interesting. Just remember, protect your hands. Make sure you protect your fingers and protect your eyeballs. We got some screws. Taken these apart before, so I know how they work. Just a little electromagnet that pulses. Oh, see, the diaphragm's all cracked. That's why it quit working. Could drill a hole in this, right? Because this still moves. You could drill a hole in here and you can attach a needle to that. You can make a real janky prison tattoo gun. Let's plug her in and see what this thing does. Yeah! You can make a real janky prison tattoo gun with that. I'm gonna scrap it. Don't mess around with electricity, it's not safe. Is that a bolt? It looks like a screw and nut. Does that go all the way through? Let's see if I can get this with a pair of cutters. We got it. No. There isn't a ton in here. Oh, I've had about enough of that. This will go right in my tin bucket. Just the way, there we go, this will go in the tin bucket. Oh, we forgot to, what's wrong with the scale? We forgot to get a weight before scrapping. A little over half a pound, 0.52. So we got our little piece of tin, and I believe that's a magnet. That's a magnet, so if you need a magnet for scrapping, there you go right there. Is that also a magnet? Nope. Get this out of there. Cut the wires. We have some copper here on the plug end. I mean, brass. Just as simple as cutting a wire close, twisting them out. This one's being a little harder. I'll go ahead and hold it. It's not going to let me get the copper, so I'm just going to cut them. Usually you can pull them out, but not this time. I'm going to call that copper bearing because there is copper in there. Some number 2 insulated. And this looks like it's going to be easy. This looks like it'll just slide off, I bet. First time scrapping one of these. A little hammer. Probably should have kept hammering it right when it was in the vise still. There we go, she's out. I got some more tin. And let's see if we can clean this copper up a little bit. Look at that. Just like that. So not too bad. Our weight after scrapping is 0.3. We ended up with a little over 1/10 of a pound of number 2 insulated. And about 1/10 of a pound of steel. And the copper doesn't really register, and neither will the brass and the copper bearing. So that wasn't too bad. A few minutes worth of work. No! A few minutes worth of work, make a little extra money. So just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.